All right, guys, customer test video. Fatboy 4-pill 454 with bias and delay for sideband. So this was a custom ordered amp, and I don't think this one's been ordered very long, to be fair. I think we're way ahead of schedule on this one. So that doesn't mean I'm going to sit here and look at it for 2 weeks. When stuff comes in, I like to get it out to folks. Doesn't matter if I have a 2-week, 3-week window. If it gets here early, I like to get it shipped out and get it up out of here. So gonna test this thing out. We're not gonna hook a sideband radio to it. We will test the delay, make sure it works. I recommend putting about 50 to 60 watts PEP into these. You might get by with 65 or 70, but if you start going a little bit more than that, I would recommend stepping up to the 6-pill 454 or even the 8. I do have a mobile one of these with no sideband on it, and I have a base one of these with no sideband on it, brand new. So if you're interested in those, you like how this one does, they will do just a little bit more because they're not biased for SSB. The way Fatboy does them, they do a little bit less power when they're biased generally, but it's not a significant amount. So that being said, let's see how this guy does. We're going to hit it with 20 watts average, about a 3 watt dead key, 3.5 watt dead key, and swing about 50 to 55 watts PEP into it. We're already on peak, so we'll test it out here. PEP first. Bottom scale, 1,000 watt slug. Audio check. 1, 2, 3. Audio. Audio check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio check. Audio. About 525, 550. And you can hear the delay, maybe. No sticky relays. We'll go up to AM. You can definitely hear the difference between the AM and with the sideband delay on. Now this is going to be average power next. Still looking at the bottom scale, 100 watts or 1,000 watt slug. It's about a 60 watt dead key. Ooh, over 200 average. 14.8 volts is what we're at. Audio, almost 40, but about 38 amps is what it's drawing. So it'll probably draw a little bit more than that on sideband if you hit it with more average power. Again, with your sideband radios, monitor your average power if you have a meter that does. If not, my recommendation is to set your carrier on AM and then leave your radio in the same position on sideband. That's generally a safe way to run it. But good running little amp here. Love the 454s. Haven't been doing a whole lot of amp videos recently because radios have really taken off and radios have been taking up a lot of the video space. So I want to get a couple of amp videos done here, and I do have some amps in stock. I'm not completely out. I do have some small stuff, some medium-sized stuff. So, and again, just like these guys, if I don't have it, I've got such a great relationship with Fatboy and Carl that I can generally get it to you here pretty quick because we do a lot of business together. So appreciate Fatboy, appreciate Carl Built. In this case, definitely appreciate the guys at Fatboy taking care of me here and getting this one down here quick, fast, and in a hurry. All right, appreciate it, everybody. Rooster in Tennessee, roostercb.com. I got a gnat flying around in here. Y'all have a good night. See you, bye.